Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Monday, August 1st, 1:43 p.m. New York time. S&P 500 cash index, symbol SPX. New month. We already took out the high of last month. Yep. Looking at monthly candles here. Weekly chart. We already took out the high of last week. Notice also we're here at a supply zone of sellers the prior. Daily chart. Took out the high of Friday. Already back inside the range of Friday. ES, the S&P 500 futures. Here we go. Here we go. That was the last candle on Friday. So since then, we're in a massive consolidation on the 4-hour candles, hovering in between, around, over the quarters, 41.25. Again, prior candles for impulse moves up, and we're having consolidation above there, so leaning more bullish bias here. Still have this demand zone down here. So last night, my swing trade was with the ES options, bear call spreads. I was bearish. So when I saw this candle, that was already giving me a clue to want to be bearish. Also, the daily was overextended, and I waited till like around 8 o'clock, a little bit after 8 o'clock, put a trade on. But looking here on the 4-hour, taking this to the 1 hour now. There we go on the 1 hour. I start to see small trading range, but the 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock candle impulse moved down. So that was giving me more bearish bias. And that's why I was looking for bearish bias. Taking this to the 30 minutes. I saw this as a stop hunt. I'll zoom in. On the 30-minute, I saw that as a stop hunt. So, yep, I went bearish, bear call spreads. See where that's where I placed my trade. So it was after that 30-minute candle, placed it, and it closed out for 50% profits this morning at 9:01 a.m. Yep, that's good. Going back here now on the 1 hour. Oops, apologize. Let's take this back to the drawings I have for the supply and demand zones. I knew this going forward was still acting as a supply zone because yes, we tested it, rejected it, and impulse moved down, expecting some kind of impulse move back up, possibly. So looking for the trade for the SPX after the 9:30 a.m. when the regular cash market opens. I was concerned about down here. So after we had this occur here, and I got out of my trade, my bearish trade, and then, well, looking here at the hourly, seeing that we didn't go further down, had this candle form, big tail on the bottom, thinking, okay, that might be the low of the day.
So at 10:05, I put trades on the SPX options, 0 DTE. Yep, this candle got done. This half an hour one got done. After that got done, I was bullish. Waited for a retracement. So when this candle did a little retracement, I put the put spread on. There we go. So there. And then because that fast impulse move up, it got closed really fast. Got closed at 10.50 or 50% gains. Again, that was on the SPX options. Many thanks for watching.